I'm Destin and this is IGN News. Character art for Durotan and Lothar for the upcoming Warcraft film was revealed by Legendary Pictures at Comic-Con today. Back in May, we got to see the movie version of Orgrim Doomhammer, but this is our first look at the film's two leading protagonists, Durotan and Lothar. Durotan, the orc chieftain of the Frostwolf clan, is played by Toby Kebbell, while the human Sir Anduin Lothar, also known as the Lion of Azeroth, is played by Travis Bimmel. The upcoming Warcraft film, which hits theaters June 10, 2016, is set in Azeroth between the earliest encounters between humans and orcs. It's written and directed by Duncan Jones, known for movies like Moon and Source Code, and co-written by Charles Levitt. Follow our Comic-Con 2015 hub for more news from the show this weekend right here on IGN.